welcome to Katrina's Creations. This is the Katrina Clutter-Free episode, and today I am tackling, let me tilt this down some, the very last cabinet to deal with in the kitchen, and that is this drawer right there, which isn't horrible, but it does need some straightening out. So we're going to get started. So this cabinet, and I'm sorry I've got you kind of sideways, but it just seems to work the easiest. This cabinet is my baking cabinet. It carries all of my baking supplies. Yeah, and it's not horrible, but things have gotten a little messed up. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull everything out. So we have a rolling pin. And I have this, which I have not used in years. This is actually, it's a handy gadget. I just haven't used it because I don't make cookies as much as I used to. Let's see if I can pull it apart anymore. It's from Pampered Chef, and it is from Pampered Chef, and it has measurements on the edge here, and you fill it up like if you were using like Crisco or whatever. You put that in there, and then once you get it measured to the top, you can push this end here and it squirts back out. I don't think I've used it in the 14 years I live here, and to be honest, it feels a little weird, like it is deteriorating or something. I don't know. It needs to be washed. If I keep it, it needs to be washed. I've got some measuring spoons, and those are also Pampered Chef. I used to be big into Pampered Chef, but it has, let's see if you can see it here, it has the measurements here, and you just adjust this part. So one is for tablespoons and one is for teaspoons. These are scoops from Slim Fast. I don't think I need that many of them. I keep an extra one just in case I would not have one, but I don't think I need 5 of them. Rubber spatulas. I have 2 of them. This one's been a little bent or melted. I don't know how effective that's going to be. This is a basting brush that turned out, I do use it, but I thought I was getting an adult's. It's little. I mean, see the size of my hand? It looks like it belongs to a child. Oh, we have another scoop. This is one of these jar opener things. Those are always handy. Then I have some additional measuring cups, and they're kind of scattered all over the place. Now this little gadget, these are neat. You'll see they have little paw prints on them. These are lids actually for like cat food cans. Yeah, dog and cat food cans. They fit your actual cans though. Let me show you. Instead of having to, when I open up a can and I've still got leftovers in it, there it is. It fits perfect. And yeah, it has an outer rim here and an inner rim, so it fits smaller and larger cans. So, I mean, this one is actually on the smaller inside ring, so it does fit some larger cans too. I think I got this on eBay a couple of years ago, but I use them all the time, and they came with like a pack of 6, something like that. So crab mallets. If you live on the East Coast, especially in the Maryland area, we're big into crabs. Well, I say we, not me. I don't like crabs. Crabs eat dead things at the bottom of the ocean. I don't get into crabs. But some people do, and if they do, you have people over and you have to use these to hammer open the claws and the shell and whatever else you hammer open. I don't know much about crabs because I don't like them, but we have some. it's a prerequisite. Second ice cream scooper. Oh, and yet another scoop for Slim Fast. Yes. Then we have, these are little not strainers, but they're for pouring, like a little funnels, that's the word I'm looking, like for I use them for seasonings, to put them into my little seasoning jars and stuff like that. I have another 2 funnels and I have no idea what they go to. I don't think I need them if I don't even know what they go to. These are pastry scoop things, and I forget this. It's for cutting pastry, pie dough especially. This is also a Pampered Chef item. If you go to Olive Garden, you see it all the time. The little cheese graters, that's what this is. There's the handle. Then we have an electric knife, which I actually do use. And over here on this end, oh, you can't see it in the camera, right over here on this end, I have my mixer. I am going to take this out and wash that because it needs it, and wipe out the drawer. And then this is one whole piece too, and I don't remember where I got that from. These are little shelf clips that go in my cabinets to adjust the shelves with. A garlic grater squeezy thing. Can you tell I'm not much of a cook? There are the blades that go to the electric knife. And 2 fondue forks. This one's for cheese. Why do I have 2? I mean, one for Dave and I, but I don't have a fondue thing anymore. I haven't made, although I have made like just in a crock pot. I've done like cheese and we've taken and dipped our bread or meat in it. So we have used these, but I wonder where the other 2 disappeared to. There should have been a set of 4. And I have a lighter for like candles and stuff like that. And a bunch of matches. These are bread twisties. I have no idea. A Tupperware. Oh, it says, no, it's Pampered Chef, but I know Tupperware made them too, for orange peelers. My set of chopsticks, because when we eat Chinese food, I do like to use chopsticks. It makes me feel more in the mood for the Chinese. Then we have a regular lighter. And then I have a bunch of chip clips here. These are chip clips. Or if you're in the UK, these are for crisps to keep the, you roll them up. I don't know why they don't put Ziploc tops to potato chips and things, but they don't, so we roll them up and I use these. So I have a lot of them. Not, of course, because we eat too many potato chips. I need to clean this one out too. It's gotten a lot of crumbs and stuff in it. We have lots of chip clips. Apparently we're planning on a virtual feast of chip clips. Then in the back here, I have some cookie cutters that I never use, but I have cookie cutters. And I have 3. You generally need 4. These are for tablecloths. When you're going to a picnic, you put the tablecloth on, and then this clips over top of the table and holds the tablecloth from flying off. I have no idea how old these are, and there's only 3. These are breath drops. These are going away because I have no idea. Let's see. They expired in 2019. Yeah. We had these back when we had a dog, because sometimes she'd have really, really bad breath. And that's what we got those for. And the dog has been gone for over a year. So, yeah. I'm going to go clean this stuff out and start putting it back together again. All right, we are finished. Let me show you what's not going back in there. This is just trash. That's what that orange peeler was. That's what I wiped the cabinets out. This is going in the trash. These are little silicone muffin wrapper things. What do you call them? Cupcake wrapper things, but these are silicone. I actually have more of these in another drawer, so I'm just going to put them together. This is that shelf stuff that keeps the things from sliding around. I'm just going to put it someplace else. I don't need it. I'm going to get rid of these. I have no idea what they're for. Well, I mean, I know what they're for, but I don't use them. This I will put over with my can openers and stuff because it just makes more sense for it to be there. These I'm going to get rid of. Having 3 doesn't do me a whole lot of good. I'm getting rid of all of this. And I'm getting rid of these. These are little apple, that one looks more like a strawberry, but they're supposed to be apple cookie cutters. I've only kept my Christmas cookie cutters. So here's what the cabinet now, or the drawer looks like. I've got my crab mallets back here. These are those shelf, things to hold the shelf. I'll show you. It's easier than trying to explain what they are. They go right there to support the shelf. So they're extras. So that's their rolling pins here. I put everything that helps with leftovers in here. So that would be my chip clips and my cans. These I have things I don't use all that often, like ice cream scoops, the orange peeler, the fondue forks, and the electric knife. Then I have all of the lighter stuff here, garlic press, and the measuring spoons here because I haven't used them for quite a while. There are all of the Christmas cookie cutters. That is that cheese grater. There is the electric knife and the mixer with the mixing blades to it. And then here's those little funnels and my rubber spatula and the mixing cups. So that's where I have everything. And now if you wondered what this is cake gel. My husband is diabetic. I do need to check the date on this, although it really isn't going to matter. I bought it for the sugar content. Just a little tip from a former nurse was if he has problems, I used to be a nurse in case you weren't aware of that, if he would have problems with his diabetes and go into a reaction and need instant sugar, I can squirt this into his mouth and it will dissolve, but yeah, it gives him an instant jolt of sugar. He's never needed it. He usually runs the opposite, but just in case, that's what that's there for. So that is the final kitchen cabinet. So that finishes the kitchen series. Not sure what I'm going to tackle next. I have a couple of ideas, but that is the end of the kitchen. It's semi-organized now, which is nice. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please click the little red subscribe button and the little bell-shaped icon next to it, and that will let you know anytime I post a video. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye, everybody.